Hi everyone, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This is Praveen from Team Debru, and today's video it's going to be about how to make $100 per day with YouTube part 10. Yeah. Welcome to today's video on how to make $100 per day with YouTube part 10. Yes guys, today would be the end of this video series where I literally taught you A to Z on how you can actually create a YouTube channel, how to create a content, how to choose an offer, what is the best practices that you need to follow when you're actually doing your content, and then after that how to promote your content, what kind of tools to use. All this kind of stuff has been covered in this video series. I really hope that you actually enjoy this video series. So today we will be in our finale video in today's video series. So before that, let's just go a small overall summary on what we covered in today's in this video series. So the first thing we did was we teach you on how to create a YouTube channel, and then we teach you on how to customize your own YouTube channel, and then we teach you on how you can actually go ahead and choose an offer from affiliate networks, how you want to choose an affiliate network, which offer to choose, which is the best converting offers, how to communicate with your AM, and all those stuff. So after that we teach you that what tools you actually need, what kind of hardware you need, and if you have a low budget, what kind of webcam you can actually buy, what kind of microphone that you can actually buy, and if you what kind of softwares that you can use. And most of the softwares that I teach you to use in this particular video series was free softwares. Like for editing softwares, I taught you on Shortcut, and then screen recording, OBS, and all these stuff. And then I teach you on how you can actually, what type of creative angles that you can actually do your videos. This one I did with samples of few other videos which already been made by other people. I show you how they approach the creative angles and how you can approach the angles yourself as well. And then I teach you on the best practices that you can follow in order to make your video as good as a YouTube recommended video. And then I teach you on how to promote your own YouTube channel. And then yesterday's video I taught you on how you can actually monetize your channel, and today we have finally reached to the end of today's video where I'm just going to teach you a bonus and a secret tricks that you're going to do. So literally today's video is going to be very short. I'm just going to show you some bonus tricks and stuff like that, but then by following this video series alone, I've literally taught you A to Z on your journey. You can actually, once you actually finish watching this video series, you can actually get into your driving seat and drive your car towards your journey on making $100 per day with YouTube. That is how good this video series is. I'm not gonna boost myself or anything, but that's what people say. And as you can see over here, they actually it's everything done A to Z, guys. Even though creating a YouTube channel is something very easy, you just need a Gmail and stuff like that, but I literally went into creating a brand new YouTube channel for you, and I taught you on how to customize your YouTube channel, how to change your channel art, and then literally I showed you everything, guys, from how to make a YouTube channel, how to choose the offer, how to make a content, what tools to use, and then how you can actually promote your content and everything. So today's video is going to be a bonus trick, and whatever that, before I start my video, I always tell you, whatever that I teach you in the video series, guys, make sure that you grab the knowledge and then you customize the knowledge according to your own personal preference. That's how you do stuff, and that is the characteristic that you need in order for you to succeed in this YouTube journey. You need to grab stuff from all the people. You can actually learn from me, you can learn from other people, so you grab stuff from all those people, and then you start generating your own techniques. This is something that Colin taught me one day, and it really works, guys. That's what you should do as well. So today's video is going to be about bonus and secret tricks. So let's dive into today's video. So let me say, what if I actually told you on how to promote your channel and stuff like that. So what if that is a medium that you can actually use to get free views for your channel? You can actually promote your videos for free, and then you can actually get in charge with your YouTube community and stuff like that. What if there's stuffs like that you can do. Isn't that would be interesting, right? So that's the thing that we're going to talk about today. So the first medium that we're going to talk about, it's called the channel pages. This is like one of the most popular ones. This is where you can actually go into, you can actually log in into these channel pages. It's free, and then there's a paid version also that is premium, but you can actually go ahead and join this community of channel pages, and then there will be a lot of active users in the channel pages as well. This is one of the best platform for you to actually go ahead and find an influencer, find a sponsor which is willing to sponsor your video, an influencer which is willing to actually sell your products, and content creators, all these kind of stuff you can actually go ahead and find in channel pages. I'm not telling that channel pages is the only one. Like I always say in all my videos, whatever that I say to you, you are not limited to that particular thing alone. You can definitely go ahead and do other stuffs as well. You can go ahead Google, you can go Quora, you can go YouTube, you can find other stuffs as well. What I'm saying is channel pages is the one of the best medium that I personally find that was interesting. And another medium exactly almost the same like channel pages is called the Knox Influencer. This is something which is actually a brand new, it's not like very new, but it's still considered as a brand new. This is where you can actually go ahead and find an influencer for your YouTube, and it's not only for that, it has like a lot of YouTube analytics sorry, it works in a YouTube analytic tools. They have their own app and all this kind of stuff. So Knox Influencer, as you can see, I'm not promoting any of this. As you can see, there won't be any link in the description for all this. That's why I'm showing you exactly in the browser itself. So Knox Influencer, go ahead and find, there's a lot of stuff in the Knox Influencer. You can actually use this as a marketing tool as well as a tool to find your influencer. For example, if you can actually go ahead and type make money online, let's do it. For example, I'm going to show you. You can actually see when you press make money online, you can actually see which channel talks about make money online and which channel has more subscription and all this kind of see. You see PewDiePie, toys make me smile, all this kind of stuff. And you can also go and find the YouTube video which talks about make money online, which has the make money online tag. As you can see, this YouTube video, this one, all this kind of stuff. So this one of the best software that I have personally seen myself. And then let's go to the another software that we're going to talk about. We're going to go very fast because all these are bonus softwares. You won't be needing these softwares to actually succeed in your journey, but if you have this kind of softwares, definitely your journey would be much easier. So the next one we're going to talk about is Drum It Up. Drum It Up is like it's like a community which has a lot of YouTube basically new YouTubers who join the YouTube society, and then they share their content, they promote their content. This is where they actually share their content. So they're like a lot of video categories that you can actually go ahead and share your content. As you can see, this is shared by somebody, and then you can actually see the views that he has for this content and how much views he keep on getting after he shared this content. So there's a lot of stuff going here. YouTube community loves it's like a small YouTube community, guys. You can actually go ahead and join this, it's free. And then we talk about grinding. Grinding is one of the things that I like. It's, you know why? It's like very simple. All you gotta do is just go ahead and post your video over here and post your video in the section. They have a lot of section over here, and then you can go ahead and post your video. It works similar like Drum It Up. So you post your video over there, and then what happens is people just come and like your video, people just watch your video, people do whatever they want with your video. So it works in a very similar way, but they are strict in one thing, is that you can only upload one video per day, which makes things much more organized, so that they know what they're doing. So this is one of the websites that you should check it out, grinding.com. As well as another one is Shary. Shary is also a very huge YouTube community. As you can see, they have somewhere around 11,382 current users, guys. So you just post your videos, and then they actually say this, you actually post your video, and then you will be your content will be available for more than 200 Shary users. And then Sherry users can actually view your content and potentially subscribe to your content. So it works in a very similar way. But just like I told you just now itself, it is like how I can tell you this. They are very regulated. When you actually post a video, it takes some time to actually get your video approved. They have like a team working on approving your video, so don't put inappropriate videos and stuff like that. It won't work, guys, trust me, it will never work. They are very regulated. They have a lot of things going on, regulation, and they follow that. But this is something that you should definitely use. As you can see over here, total comment on share it alone is more than 1 million comments, guys, and total content shared is more than 349,251 content shared, guys. So look at that, look at that. I like all this, guys. I like this. These are the stuff that you can actually use. So the final software that we're going to talk about is called the Voat, VOAT.co. Let me just go there. Oops, something happened. Let me just go again. Sorry, guys. So this is actually it. It's called the Voat. I think you need to register this. This is not something that I've used before. So it works in a very similar pattern of grinding and as well as sharing, where you can actually go ahead and put a video, but it works in a very similar pattern of Reddit. Have you used Reddit? If you use Reddit, you know that when you write a comment, when people upload your comment, people upload your post or people upload your comment, your post will go up, right? It works in a very similar way with voat.co, where you can actually upload a video. They have strict regulation as well. So once you have actually uploaded your video, what happened next is people will watch your video, and if they like, they will actually vote for your video. When they vote for your video will go up, and more people will have the tendency to look at your video. They will actually check out your video. So that's how it works with Voat. So like I told you, these are the tricks that you can actually use to make your channel bomb like that, guys. But the thing is it necessary for you to it is like essential for you to use this? Is it like very you have to use it? Is it like something like that? No. If you ask me, it's no. Definitely you can go ahead without knowing all this. I didn't know all this when I started my YouTube journey as well, but then when I started to grow, I started to find out, I ventured out finding stuff, and then I found these kind of tools which will definitely, trust me, it will definitely help you, guys. It will definitely go ahead and help your YouTube journey. It will give a very big boost for your YouTube journey, and that's what bonus tricks are about. It's about, you can either use them if you want to, you can, if you don't want to use them, you can even choose not to use them. So that's what this video is all about. So definitely go ahead and check out all these softwares. And like I tell you always, you are not limited to only these softwares. You can go ahead and check out other softwares as well if you want to. Go ahead and check out all the softwares, guys. Go Google, get all those resources that you can do. Like I always say, grab all the knowledge from everybody you can, and then you take that knowledge, you actually customize that knowledge into a much more personal style, which will suit you way better. So that's how you do it. That's how I do it. That's how Colin does it. So that's how I would highly advise you to do it as well. So I think we have done with this video series, guys. It was a good journey, 10 days journey on this video series with you. I really hope that you enjoy this video series. I hope that I will be coming up with more video series which I can actually show you A to Z on how to do stuff. So I really hope that you enjoy this video series and you gain something from this video series. Even though if you never gain anything from this video series, I really hope that you enjoy this video series.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.